All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday idiom. So drew to a close. Drew to a close. Come to an end. Come to an end. When something came closer to finishing or finally stopped. Yeah, so say 100% and so stop. Stop. Or 99%. Slowly or going to stop. Yeah, going to stop. The show eventually drew to a close. The show eventually drew to a close, yeah. Everything drew to a close all at once. It drew to a close all at once. How cool is that? The show drew to a close, yeah. The film, well, all the entertainment drew to a close, yeah. The whole adventure drew to a close when I got to Edinburgh. When I got to Edinburgh, it all drew to a close. All finished. Everything finished. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. It all drew to a close. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I think it all drew to a close early. It happened too soon. Yeah. Why did it draw to a close like that? I thought it would draw to a close over I thought it would draw to a close later. Yeah, draw to a close over a month. Over a month, not just 2 weeks. Yeah, that was a lot faster than I thought. Yeah. Without notice, the show drew to a close like that. Yeah. What happened? Why did it draw to a close suddenly? Yeah. I like my lessons to draw to a close gradually. Gradually. Gently, gently, gently. Gradually. Over time. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So when something draws to a close, like the show, it draws to a close. And that's it. Goodbye. Yeah. So drew to a close. So, can you use drew to a close in a sentence? Comment below and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.